Hey, this is Larry Powell, and I just wanted to get this quick video over to you guys outlining how you can pass up your competition in Google search results. We're going to go over the big three today, which is content, backlink, and citations, and what those mean for your business and how those can help you guys out with generating new clients. We're also going to give you guys a quick website audit, kind of going over what I see on your guys' website that you could improve that would help with your overall Google search results and rankings and generate new clients for your business. So jumping into this, first off, your guys' site looks really cool. Really like the layout you guys have here. It looks like you're using a constant contact. So it looks like you're using some sort of website builder. You're paying for like a monthly service with this right now. Excuse me. But it does look really nice. So my recommendations for you guys for today, looking at your site before we get into the big three, first thing would be a contact form on this homepage. As people are going through your website and they're looking for a company to come out and do either a new home build or an addition or remodel, helping with the planning side, they're looking for whatever company is the easiest to get a hold of and come out there and give them a bid the fastest. So by making it to where people aren't having to search through your website for your contact form to get a hold of you, that will definitely help conversions once people get to your site. Another thing is click-to-call buttons. So having a website with a click-to-call feature on here where you're listing your phone number and they can click on that from mobile devices will really help with your conversions as well, just because people are doing mobile search more and more often these days. The last thing we're going to start getting into the big three here is content. So Google, when they're looking for search results, as people search, home addition or home remodel San Diego is a search term we're going to look at today. When people are searching that in Google, and what Google really wants to pull up is the most relevant search results for that search term. So they're going to try to find a business that talks about home remodel San Diego, and that's going to be the first business they're going to pull up in the search results. Now for your guys' website, it's not really something that's super prevalent and listed within your content. So having more content on your website will tell Google that this is a service we offer, we know what we're talking about, and Google will see that and pull you guys up in the search results for that. My recommendation would be anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage to really optimize out for Google search. And that's something very easy that you guys can do on your own. Now the next thing we're going to talk about is we're going to move over to the Google search results. We're going to look at citations. So citations are very important for your business because it's what helps you get into this 3-pack right here. And this is what's known as a Google My Business. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. You can find these on directory sources like Yelp, Yellow Book, even a Facebook page if you list your business address can count as a citation source for your business. So it's very valuable territory. As you get into the Google search results, first thing you see, these are paid ads. So this is people paying Google to have their business up here. And then this is the very first thing you're seeing. So it is very valuable territory for your business. Looking at citations for different businesses today, we can see the top ranked. Pull back here. So we can see SoCal Home Remodeling has 16, and they are right here in this spot. This is a paid ad, so we're not going to look at citations for them. It's people paying to be in this 3-pack. But we can see SoCal Home Remodeling San Diego. They currently have 16 citation sources, and then San Diego Bathroom Remodeling, Kitchen Remodeling, San Diego Home Remodeling has 44. So what we can also do with this tool, and this tool is called WhiteSpark. So if there's ever you guys wanted to get in here and look at any of this information yourself, it's like 20 bucks a month and you can get all this same information. But what's nice about this is we can actually go through and see the exact citation sources that your competition has. And we can go through and either copycat these and do the exact same ones, or we can look at other opportunities that you guys can add to for your business. So it makes it very easy, and we can actually do them right from this website. So copycatting is a great option for trying to match the citation sources your competition has. But we also don't just want to match. You don't want to just do 44 for your business. You want to do, 80, 90, 100 of them because you really want to dominate your competition in every way possible. So next thing we're going to look at is the organic rankings. So we're going to be looking at Lars Remodel and Murray Lampert, two of your top competition in the San Diego area offering the same services as you guys. So looking at Lars Remodeling, we can see that they have a really nice looking website. Quite a bit of content on here. These things drive me nuts because I always get caught on them. A decent amount of content on here. but overall not a whole ton. I would say they're probably somewhere in the 1,000 to 1,500 words, if not less, when it comes to content. You can see this is a click to call button, like what I was talking to you about earlier, so these are going to be great for mobile friendly. But overall, not super impressed with their website. Very doable to beat what they have going on here content wise. Pictures are great, but Google has no emotions. Google can't see pictures. Google doesn't rank a website based on pictures. Content is what's going to help your business out in rankings. Looking at the next one down, we can look at Murray Lampert. You can see they have a click to call button here as well. Looking at their website, looks really nice. Lots of pictures, doesn't do you any good. Not a lot of content, so very doable to pass these guys up. I understand that you really want to have a website that looks great, which is very important because you really want that appeal as far as looks, especially selling services like designing and building homes. But you need to have the content in there to really get you guys through on this. So looking at the back end of sites, now we're going to look at backlinks. So what backlinks are, the best way to describe it is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And you have the most popular kid in school, we'll call him website A, and you have the least popular kid in school, and we'll call him website B. And what we're really going for here is we're looking for popularity votes from the most popular kids in school to bring up the popularity of your website. So if we have the most popular kid in school say, hey, you're cool now, it's going to make your website move up in the rankings and generate more leads for your business. So you guys currently don't have any backlinks showing toward your site, which isn't a bad thing, and no referring domains. You guys are getting found for 3 organic keywords. So you have 3 words or search terms you're currently being found for. So Soria Construction, I'm sorry if I'm not saying that right, and then Isaac Soria. So you guys are being found for some search terms in here right now, and we can see that organic traffic, you have 1 person per month coming to your website. Now looking at what your competition has, we can see, so this is Lars Remodel, so they have 4.4 thousand backlinks, which in my industry, when you have that many backlinks, generally what it is there's some spammy backlinks in there. So we can actually look and see what backlinks they have, and again, we can do copycat method with this as well. Sorry, everybody's blowing up my computer here. So we can actually go through here and see the exact backlinks they have. We can try to submit to the same sources. And we can see which ones are good to take and which ones aren't good to take. But that's a lot of backlinks. Generally, there's some spammy ones in there that will actually hurt your rankings more than they're going to help. We can also see here that they're being found for 2.7 thousand keywords, so 2,700 keywords is what their business is ranking for. And we can actually go through and see what these keywords are. So San Diego remodeling, 300 searches per month. We can see they're in the #1 spot, and they have 91 people per month coming to their website just for this one search term. Kitchen remodeling San Diego, a lot less competition behind it, half the search volume, but they're still getting 49 people per month for this search term. So they're getting 1/3 of that search traffic is coming to their website just because they're in the #1 spot. San Diego kitchen remodel, we got 100 searches per month. They're in the #1 spot, and they're getting almost half of the search volume headed towards their business just from this one search term. So there's a lot of opportunities out here. When you guys are targeting content and keywords for your website, it is important to have those keywords in there, but you really want to go after something like service and city. So home remodeling San Diego, bathroom remodeling San Diego, bathroom remodel San Diego, home additions San Diego. This would be a fantastic search term for you guys. It's got a low keyword difficulty, 150 searches per month, and they're getting 29 people per month by being in that top spot. So a lot of opportunities there for you guys to generate a lot of new search traffic just by really optimizing your site out and targeting the keywords that are going to benefit you guys the most. And this website is called Ahrefs, so this is something they do have like a 7-day, $7 trial. So you guys will be able to go on here and look at all this same information I'm looking at right now. Looking over at Murray Lamp, we can see they have 2,700 backlinks from 467 referring domains. Again, they're getting found for 2.7 thousand backlink or keywords, and they're getting 1,100 people per month to their website. And again, we can see the exact search terms they're being found for to make sure there might be some other ones. So room addition San Diego, that's one we didn't see on the other website. 300 searches per month, relatively low competition in this, and they're getting 46 people per month to their website just for this one search term, and they're in the 2nd ranked spot. So lots of opportunity there for your business. So once again, just to summarize everything, first off, some very minor changes to your site that will really help with conversions once you get more website traffic coming to it. Definitely recommend the click to call and the contact form. Next off is going to be content. Content is king when it comes to rankings, making sure your content is relevant, has the correct search terms in there that you want to be found for, and you guys will really be on your way for your website. Next is going to be backlinks. Increasing the number of backlinks you guys have. Try to go after niche relevant or service relevant, so something related to the home remodel industry. I mean, if you guys are trying to get backlinks from a home remodel company out of Oregon, where I'm based out of, that's going to look a lot better for you guys than if you get a backlink from your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas. So go after the niche relevant backlinks, and then citations to really drive your your GMB up into those search results, and you guys would be generating a lot of new search traffic and passing up your competition. If you have any questions on this, definitely feel free to reach out. Love to talk to you guys more or answer any questions you guys have. Thank you.